In IP4 you have total 5 classes. So in that, first one is class A. Class A, like cities in case of telecommunication network. So first of all, what actually class A we will see, then we will move to the comparison. So this 32-bit number is common to every class, same like 10-digit number is common to cities, villages, towns. So here also you have the 8 bits, 8 bits, 8 bits. In case of cities, we said that 3 digits for STD part and 3 digits for local part. So here also we have network ID is there, as we said here. Network ID should be there, and then host ID there. So in case of class A, first octant means this is 1 octant. 8 bits is equal to 8 bits equal to 1 octant. Some cases word, byte. So here we are taking first byte or first octant, we are taking as a network part. It's a network ID. Then remaining portion is host part. So if you take this one, this will become host ID. So if you observe here, as we seen in the cities, we are representing 3 digits for STD part. Means you can represent 2 raised to 3. Means 1000 cities you can represent. Means 1000 numbers you can represent in case of numbering. So here also you have the 8 digits, 8 bits you have. Means you can represent 2 raised to 8 network IDs. 2 raised to 8 network IDs you can represent uniquely, and remaining 2 raised to 24, 8 plus 8 plus 8, 24. 24 host IDs you can connect. 24, 2 raised to 24 computers you can connect under each network. So that is actually the meaning of this one. So means 2 raised to 24 means it's a huge number, like in crores it's a. So means that many numbers you can, that many hosts or computers you can connect under one single network. So usually this kind of means class A address. Usually class A address actually used in government sectors, like all government sectors might have the class A, that basing on that, but employees are more here, many departments you have. When you combine all the departments and all employees, definitely you need a class A address. So that's why usually this class A address is used in government sector. So this is about class A.